precision, power, pure Italian engineering. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 isn't just a superbike, it's a statement. A machine designed to dominate both the track and the streets, blending cutting-edge technology with raw, unfiltered performance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deep into the details that make this bike a true masterpiece, or just another contender in the hyper-sport war. At first glance, the RSV4 Factory 1100 is pure aggression. Aprilia's signature triple headlight design, flanked by aerodynamic winglets, isn't just for show. These wings generate real downforce, keeping the front planted at insane speeds. The carbon fiber front fender, side panels, and heel guards shave off precious grams while adding a touch of race-bred sophistication. But Aprilia didn't just stop at looks. The redesigned fairings improve airflow, reducing drag and keeping the engine cool, critical when you're dealing with this much power. The star of the show? That monstrous 1099cc V4 engine, now bigger, meaner, and more explosive than ever. With 217 horsepower and 90 lb-ft of torque, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The increased displacement delivers brutal mid-range punch, while the screaming top end ensures you're never left wanting more. But power is nothing without control. Aprilia's ride-by-wire throttle, multi-mode traction control, and U-wheelie control keep things in check because, let's face it, this much performance can be a handful. Where the RSV4 truly shines is in its chassis. The poly-aluminum frame base is stiffer than before, offering razor-sharp feedback. Paired with top-shelf, Uhland's Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, this bike adapts on the fly, whether you're carving canyons or attacking lap times. And let's talk brakes. Brembo-style calipers bite down on massive 330mm discs, hauling you down from triple-digit speeds with surgical precision. This isn't just a bike, it's a track weapon disguised as a street machine. Aprilia didn't skimp on tech. The 6-axis IMU orchestrates a symphony of electronic aids. Cornering ABS, launch control, pit limiter, and even a built-in lap timer. The customizable TFT display keeps all critical data in view, so you stay focused on the ride. Want to dial it back for the street? Switch to road mode, and the RSV4 becomes slightly more civilized. But let's be honest, you didn't buy this bike to take it easy. So, is the 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 the ultimate superbike? If you crave race-level performance with street-legal flair, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not for the faint of heart. This machine demands skill, respect, and a love for speed. But for those who dare, it delivers an experience unlike any other. What do you think? Could this be the king of hypersport bikes, or does Ducati still hold the crown? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth bike analyses. Until next time, ride fast, ride smart.